Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find tutorials on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So new, just open a video or create a new project, and if you don't know how to start to edit a video, you can find different tutorials. You just go to the lower left corner of the home screen and you can find the book and how to edit sentence. Click that and you can find different tutorials about the basic editing, the intro and animated text, the standing effects, music and sound, and speed and filter. For example, click to the basic editing option, and here you can check a simple tutorial. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.